We're looking at number 8 here. Given the various information, we're going to write both the recursive and explicit. Oh, wow. So let's take a look at the first one. Is that going pretty fast? Oh, yeah, that is going really fast. So what we're going to do is probably check for the common ratio first for 8. Let's do that. Okay. So common ratio is equal to 1,725 divided by 345. Let's check that first. 17 to 5 divided by 345. That gets me a common ratio of 5. Let's check it again. This time with 5625 divided by 1725. Okay, third divided by the second term. 5625 divided by 1725. Wait. That's not right. Hold on. Let's double check. 5625 345 times 5. That's right. Times 5. Ah, this should be an 8. Sorry. This needs to be an 8. Okay. So delete this. This should be an 8. Sorry about that. Because that's the only way you get a common difference of 5. And let me see if we can multiply that by 5 again. And this should be right here. That should be 43125. Okay. We're multiplying by 5 each time. All right. So the recursive formula, it is given as an is equal to a1 times r. Oh, sorry. an minus 1 times r. So let's plug it in. An is equal to 5 times the previous term, an minus 1. There you go. That's your answer. The explicit would be an is equal to a1 parentheses r to the power n minus 1. So here, our first term is 345. Oh, sorry. An is equal to 345 parentheses 5 to the power of n minus 1. So there you go. Okay, make sure you fix your numbers, making sure that that's the correct sequence. Okay, sorry about that. B, this does look, let me double check here. Okay, yes, those numbers do look right. Okay, so let's start by, it's going pretty slow. So we're going to check in arithmetic by finding the common difference. The common difference is 210 minus 140. That should get you a common difference of 70. Here, common difference is 280 minus 210. That does get you a common difference of 70, right? So we have our common difference. So now we can just write down our formulas and plug in the values. The recursive formula is defined as an. An is equal to an minus 1, previous term, plus the common difference. So here, an is equal to an minus 1 plus 70. The explicit would be an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. So the first term is 140. An is equal to 140 plus, we write the common difference first, 70 parentheses n minus 1. So there you go. Okay, the first one was actually geometric, and the B is arithmetic. Okay.